This is Bird. I still got Shackle's kibble left over, so he gets it twice a day. He shot with a BB gun. Everybody want like and subscribe. Don't know if I'm going to get more kibble for him. I'm almost out. He poops on my neighbor's porch, so he could fly, but he can't fly up to things. He could just fly. He has to climb up a tree, jump off. Climbs up the staircase, jumps off the staircase. But probably would have died about 2 years ago if I didn't start feeding him. Alright, everybody, like and subscribe. Get more videos of Bird. Can't think of no other name. Alright, bye.